Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be seeing how we can use Canva's version history feature to be able to recover lost designs that we've made in Canva. So I will use this presentation to perform this operation. So the first thing that I want to do is to just perform a bit of designs here, look for the history of these designs, and then change based on what I desire. So I will start by a design from here. So let's say I want to work with this business proposal. I will just select it. Let me start with this first page. And I want to change the name here. The business proposal. Also change the name of this CEO. Let's change the name of this company to African Bonds and change this image. So I will just detach this image. Come to elements. I will search for eco-friendly here. Let's scroll through. Let me select this. Now I want to add a new page here. Let's add this company overview and let's change this image. So I will detach the image, delete it, then come to my elements. I will type company themes here. Let's place this here. Now, here is the point I would like to now show you how we can use this version history since we've made a couple of adjustments here. Now, let's say we want to a certain stage of the design that we have been making. To do this, what we need to do is just come to File, and then we scroll down to this point where we have version history. So I'll select the version history, and you can see the various histories that we have here, starting from when we created this design up to this very moment. So I can select any of this. Okay, so if I click on this third one, you can see what we had here. You can click on this, you can see what we have designed here, as well as when we got the second page and made changes on the second page. If I just want to work with this one page, I have two options, either to make a copy or to entirely restore this very presentation to just one slide, which is this. Okay, so I can, for you not to lose your work entirely, it is advisable you just make a copy. So let's make a copy here. You can see we have gotten just that very version that we needed. Okay, and this is it here. You can just restore completely as well. And this is just what I want to demonstrate in this video, how you can use version history feature in Canva to be able to restore the stage that you are in your design or the stage that you want to restore in the course of your design. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.